Are you still manually coding your boilerplate or editing videos frame by frame? Stop. You are losing hours every day on work that AI can do in seconds. Today I'm sharing the 5 AI tools that have completely replaced my old workflow. By the end of this video, you will have a browser bookmarks bar that turns you into a productivity powerhouse. Let's look at the first tool that is currently redefining how we interact with research. The first tool is Perplexity AI. Forget standard Google searches that lead to ad-heavy landing pages. Open Perplexity, and type in a complex technical question. Watch how it crawls multiple live sources and synthesizes a direct answer with citations. Click the focus button to restrict search to academic papers or GitHub repositories. This is the ultimate tool for developers who need to verify documentation instantly without opening 20 different tabs on your browser. Next is Claude 3.5 Sonnet. This model is currently the gold standard for logical reasoning and coding. Navigate to the Projects tab and upload your entire code base as a text file. Ask Claude to refactor the module or find bugs. You will see it highlight the problematic lines in the code preview. This removes the guesswork from debugging and allows you to push features twice as fast as your competitors. Always verify the output before merging. Third, we have Midjourney V6 for high-fidelity assets. Go to the Discord dashboard and type your prompt. Use the AR16:9 parameter to set your aspect ratio. Notice how it interprets lighting and texture perfectly. You can right-click the image to save it in high resolution. This is my go-to for thumbnail design or background textures. It creates professional assets that would usually require a senior designer to spend hours rendering in complex 3D software. For video, Runway Gen 3 is the leader. Upload a static image to the Motion Brush tool. Paint over the specific area you want to animate, like a clouds or a waterfall. Adjust the motion intensity slider to ensure it stays realistic. Hit generate and watch as the static file turns into a cinematic clip. This is perfect for B-roll or dynamic intros. The realism is getting scary, so use this to add life to your storytelling. Finally, we have ChatGPT with custom GPTs. Go to Explore GPTs and create a new agent. Give it your brand style guide as a knowledge file. Now, every single time you need an email or a social post, your specific GPT handles it with your exact tone of voice. This effectively outsources your writing assistant. Test it by typing a draft request, then check the output settings to ensure the format matches your specific needs for consistency. These 5 tools form the backbone of a modern, efficient tech stack. Start with one today, get comfortable with the settings, and slowly integrate the others. Don't let these tools overwhelm you, just pick the one that solves your biggest daily bottleneck first. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button. Check the pinned comment for all the links, and subscribe for next week's deep dive into AI automation agents. See you there.